वाह पद्मजा जी, वाह, क्या कहा आपने। डैम्ड इफ यू डू एंड डैम्ड इफ यू डोंट। ये तो आपके डिबेट्स पर आई एम द वन हु सेज ऑल दिस। बीजेपी कुछ भी कर ले, नरेंद्र मोदी जी कुछ भी कर ले, बीजेपी को कटघरे में खड़ा करके बोला जाता है डैम्ड इफ यू डू डैम्ड इफ यू डोंट। बट दैट इज ऑन अ लाइटर नोट, पद्मजा। ऑन अ मोर सीरियस नोट, I want to say this. A few weeks back, if you recall, the official Congress handle, they said when we come to power in Madhya Pradesh, they did not even say if we come to power. This is called arrogance of overconfidence. When we come to power, we will waive off farm loans. We will make gas cylinder prices in Madhya Pradesh 500 rupees. We will give 1500 rupees to the grahini of the house, and 200 units तक electricity माफ की जाएगी. So I just want to ask Rahul Gandhi, in Karnataka, you promised 7 kgs of rice. Then you blame the Food Corporation of India. You blame the Modi government. You blame just about everybody else. Electricity prices, mind you, in Karnataka, from an average of 2.89 rupees per unit, which was the case under the previous BS Bommai government, have gone up to as high as 5 to 6 rupees a unit. And I just want to ask the Congress, law and order in Karnataka has gone down the tube with Hindu seers and Jains being murdered.
But what does it have to do with his photos? I want to steer you back. The simple thing is, the man wants to go out and meet people. Now he has to meet a mechanic, he has to meet a farmer, he has to meet that, that gentleman who couldn't buy vegetables, Rameshwar Arya. He is meeting them. That is how people connect is done, right? Why are you accusing him of being a photo GV?
I will call him a photo GV and a credit GV for the simple reason that, tell me, this man Rahul Gandhi keeps talking about farmers. Do you remember that 1.5 years back, when farmers in Hanumangarh in Rajasthan wanted that the state government of Ashok Gehlot, their Congressy chief minister, should procure bajra at the MSP price of 2,350 rupees a quintal, what did they get in return? They were thrashed black and blue by the Gehlot dispensation. That is the doglapan and hypocrisy of Rahul Gandhi, which is being called out by the Prime Minister. Bear with me for 20 seconds. You heard Rahul Gandhi on umpteen occasions talk about women empowerment. Tell me one thing. Instead of crediting the Narendra Modi government for bringing to fruition the Women's Reservation Bill, which was in abeyance for 27 long years, what does he say? सिर्फ 3 सेक्रेटरी ओबीसी हैं.
Okay, let's just step aside Women's Reservation Bill for a second. You are talking about the difference between a photo and actually doing something about it.
कहना कुछ और करना कुछ और. हाथी के दांत खाने के और दिखाने के और. That is the essence of Rahul Gandhi's politics.
हाथी के दांत, ये फोटो सिर्फ हाथी के दांत हैं आशुतोष जी. खाने के और दिखाने के और, यहाँ सिर्फ दिखाना है, नो खाना. आशुतोष,
what more do you expect from the BJP to speak on Rahul Gandhi? Do you think that they will recommend Rahul Gandhi's name for the Nobel Prize? Will they appreciate him? The Congress will attack BJP and the BJP will attack Congress party. That's what the politics is all about. I think so Sanju Verma was very articulate, but she committed a mistake. When she said Rahul Gandhi ने क्या बोला, हम तो मध्य प्रदेश में आएंगे तो ये करेंगे. You remember what the Prime Minister said? Third term तो मेरा है, मुझे आना ही आना third term में. If this is not arrogance, then how can that be an arrogance? So, the fact of the matter is that assembly election is on. Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, Telangana and Rajasthan. And first time I could say that the Congress party is extremely confident. I could hear Amit Shah making tall claim that in Bengal they'll get more than 200 seats. They're talking about UP, they'll get more than 300 seats. In Karnataka, they are coming back to the power. But first time I heard from Rahul Gandhi making some tall claims that in Telangana, probably they are coming back. In Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, they are winning. And Rajasthan, 50-50.
But tell me this.
That shows the confidence.